Hello, K911 doing another review for Chewy.com. Today we're going to be reviewing Zignature soft dog food, but once again I just want to point out how awesome these boxes that they've started sending all of the 12 packs of canned food in are. This is going to make storing the cans so much more convenient. So really, truly, thanks to Chewy.com for sending these boxes. That's a real lifesaver, I guess you can say. So as you can see, today we're going to be reviewing Zignature venison formula soft dog food. So let's get this open and take a look. So as you can see, once again, they have the easy pop top lid. This is the Zignature limited ingredient venison formula, and on the back you can see that the #1 ingredient is indeed venison. So I mean, how cool is that to be able to feed your dogs real venison? If you're not a hunter like myself, I don't hunt, so I don't get to bring them home real venison very often, and being able to order it, that's just really cool because I like my dogs to be able to eat nothing but the best ingredients. Just taking a look, Zignature is one of the top of the line companies when it comes to dog foods on the market today. So we're really excited to get to try this formula out. As you can see, Zignature is formulated to serve your canine companion's needs by delivering the highest quality, well-balanced diets. And we can really attest to that. We've used their dry food in the past, and their soft food, if it's to the same standards, is just going to be phenomenal. So let's get this open and take a look. So as you can see, this is a pate. So we're going to see how well it comes out on its own, and then get the spoon in there if we need to. That's a really thick, meaty pate there. Most of it came out. And then for a pate, we'll take and just kind of smash that into the kibble rather than trying to stir it too much. You just kind of mash it together. Once again, we always like to mix some kibble with any soft food that we feed our dogs. It just kind of helps stretch everything out a little bit, and it gives a more balanced diet. And it also gives them a little bit of different textures, crunch and all that with the soft food. So, let's see if Odysseus likes it. Odysseus, sit. Sit. Good boy. Okay. He says it's delicious. So there you have it. Zignature limited ingredient. This is the venison formula. Definitely something we'd recommend getting. You can get yours at Chewy.com. Thanks for watching.